Hey, I'm Elijah with Paid Memberships Pro, and today I'll show you how to modify PM Pro email templates to customize membership emails sent by WordPress. You can find the PM Pro email templates under Memberships, Settings, Email Templates. Here you'll see a complete list of all the different types of emails that PM Pro sends out. You can also see whether each type of email is enabled or not in the status column. To modify an email template, click the email name or the edit link underneath its name. On this screen, you'll first see a helpful description of the email's purpose and when it gets sent. Next, you can disable this specific email by ticking the Disable This Email box below the email's status. You're also able to modify who the email gets sent to. For emails sent to members, this shouldn't normally be changed, since PM Pro will send it to the correct recipient by default. For admin emails, however, it's fine to change the recipient. You can also change the email subject, add email addresses to the CC and BCC fields if you want additional recipients included, and modify the body of the email using the standard WordPress WYSIWYG text editor. Any of these fields can accept variables, which use the Liquid template syntax. When inserting a variable in the body of the email, start by typing two opening curly braces. You'll get autocomplete suggestions to help you quickly insert the required variables. Then close the tag with two closing curly braces. The Liquid template syntax also supports advanced logic, such as conditions, transformations, and fallbacks. For example, here in the billing information updated email, you can see that there's a conditional template tag that only outputs the card type and expiry information if there's an associated account number. And there's a lot more you can do with Liquid template tags. Check out the complete variable reference near the bottom of the email template page and refer to our Liquid documentation for more ways that you can automatically personalize emails. I'll include a link in the video description. Once you're done customizing an email template, scroll up to the top to send a test email. On the right side, you can type in the email address that the test email should go to, then click Save Template and Send Email to test out the modified template. It's always a good idea to test any email template before members receive it, especially if you're using lots of template tags or complex Liquid logic. Make sure to save the template again before going back to the email templates area. If you're not sure which emails you actually need to customize, we recommend starting with the checkout confirmation and cancellation emails, since these are the ones that members will see most frequently. The others can be left alone until you have a specific reason to customize them. Now you know how to modify PM Pro email templates to customize membership emails sent by WordPress. To learn more about Paid Memberships Pro and get started for free, visit paidmembershipspro.com. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the rest of our channel for more helpful content about how to run your own membership site.